Well, hey there guys, it's your favorite backyard geographer. I was out in the garage going through my junk and I thought of you. Well, when Disneyland opened up in 1955, there were many opening day attractions such as Mr. Toad's Wild Ride and Storybook Land, but often forgotten are the opening day shops, and one of my favorites would have to be Art Corner. It wasn't just a place that sold animation cells and postcards. Join me today as I share some of my original Art Corner flipbooks. So in the 1950s, the Disney company would create 4 flipbooks. There was a Chip and Dale, Donald Duck, Cowboy Mickey, and Pluto. As you can see, that's the one that I'm missing. So if you have one, be sure to let me know because I'd love to see what it looks like. So Art Corner originally opened on Main Street in 1955. They sold cells and some other different animation elements, and had some people there that helped to kind of produce some additional animation. It then moved into Tomorrowland, and then in 1966 it met its demise and would go away. But in the 1970s, Walt Disney World would then recreate these and add a couple different variations of them as well and sell them in their parks. So there's, as you can see down here, it says Disneyland, Anaheim, California. Theirs would say Walt Disney World. So a couple things that I wanted to point out before we get to flip through these and see what funny stories are within here is that these are essentially animation sequences that, as you can see, some of these have been signed by the animators. This one here was signed by Disney legend Bill Justice, who helped animate this particular scene for this book. So let's go ahead and let's go through the Donald book real quick and see what scene is in here in our official Walt Disney flip book designed by the Art Corner at Disneyland, Anaheim, California. That was a fun one. Let's go ahead. Let's look at Chip and Dale. I love this. I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of Disney characters that I love, but I think I just love the whimsical nonsense of both Chip and Dale. And hey, how do you tell the difference between them? Chip has a chocolate chip for his nose, and people always try to find ways to separate them. All right. That was funny. And then here's a fun thing. This Mickey one was sealed in so I don't think it's ever really been flipped. So you guys get a first view of this Mickey Mouse, Cowboy Mickey flip book. It was still it wasn't sealed in the original. It was probably a 1970s sandwich bag, but it's still kind of fun. Let's see this one. And that's my 3 little Art Corner flip books. Maybe you've had some of these flip books. Maybe you remember going to Art Corner at Disneyland at one of its 2 locations, or at Disney World in Florida. Be sure to like this video, comment below, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk soon. Maybe you had some of these. Maybe okay. Comment below with any thoughts, questions, or concerns. That's what.
Jeremy, we're so close.
All right.